So I'm going to try and show you here how to create the minor keys in a different way and how to think about it, and we'll see how we do. Okay, so we're just going to do a few examples. So the first thing you need to do is think of this as a timeline, okay, or like a positive and negative timeline in terms of sharps and flats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Think of this side as flats. Think of this side as sharps. Okay, so we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can have 7 sharps, we can have 7 flats. Think of this as 0 sharps or 0 flats. And then down here, think of these as positive integers. I hope you don't hate math too much. Think of these, the sharps, as positive integers. And think of the flats as negative integers. Okay? So now, if you say to yourself, if I had 3 sharps in a major key, okay, I think of plus 3, and then I have to add to it, to turn it into the minor key signature, I have to add negative 3 to it. So like negative 3, I'm adding 3 flats to it. So if you think of the 3 flats as negative 3, I end up with 0. So see, because I go down to negative 3. So now, let's do another example. Okay, so here we go. We got our timeline again. If I have, and here are your sharps, here are your flats. If I have 7 sharps in my key signature, I think of that as plus 7. Okay, that's my starting point. Then I have to add to it to make it minor. I have to add negative 3 to it, negative 3 flats. And then that lands me on plus 4, which is 4 sharps. So now let's do another one. So notice how I'm not even adding musical terminology to this. Now, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sharp side, flat side. So if I have a key signature that starts with 2 flats, so I think if I'm starting with negative 2, that's my major key signature. To make it minor, I have to add negative 3 to it. Negative 2 plus a negative 3 equals negative 5. So if my major key had 2 flats, my minor key would have 5 flats. Let's do one last one. All right, finally, last timeline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the sharp side. This is the flat side. All right, I have a key signature that in major has 2 sharps. So I'm starting with plus 2. Now to that, to make it minor, I must add 3 flats, which is minus 3. Plus 2 plus a negative 3 equals minus 1, which would be 1 flat. So that's how I start translating things off into other keys. So I hope that helped, and let's see if once you watch this, if that makes it easier to change key signatures.